Welcome to Pack Tactics. I'm Kobold, I'm playing a Beastmaster Ranger. And here are my friends from Tabletop Builds, link in the description for their sites. All of us normally make D&D 5e optimization content, but for fun we thought we should at least beat Act 1 together. The difficulty we're playing on is Tactician. Daniel is playing a Storm Sorcerer Land Druid, Justin is a Sword Bard, and Evelyn is a Light Cleric Conjuration Wizard. Anyways, let the fun begin!
I also have my own plant growth, and my spell slots don't mean as much.
Then feel free, I guess.
Okay, now we surprise them.
Nice.
I missed all my shots.
It's a skill issue.
That'll do.
You're big in this game.
Oh, okay.
Beautiful
That
roses.
looks cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just wouldn't do that. Wow. My offhand crossbows do a lot of damage now.
Oh, is it because of the iron ring?
Yeah, because of the ring and the ring, my spell sparkler,
Oh, nice.
and
Cobalt.
I get arcane synergy like every time that I do Ray of Frost. And like my offhands are doing like 20 damage or something. It's pretty cool.
Powerful.
Drama mint.
You can just do like 10 damage.
Did more than that, I think.
They have resistance.
Branded 13. My shot
I'll start,
did
okay.
7. 11.
Can I thorn whip them into
14.
No, I don't have enough wood. Easy.
Easy.
Simple gaming.
That was just a bunch of
The
dudes.
ghast is kind of annoying, I think, if we can get rid of him. The other shepherd seems to be pretty far away for now. So if you can get this guy. I do think his fumes also work against his allies, so that's interesting. The affected entity's foul stench creates a pungent cloud that nauseates all creatures around it, which means that they can't take actions. And I do think that works against his allies as well. Cool.
Yeah, also with your lightning charges to damage too.
Yeah, I was including that.
The shepherd's gonna give them all resistance.
I can gust of wind these guys because they're just walking back.
Oh,
Alright.
That's not
Yeah.
You
good.
can do that.
Still
we need some of
disadvantage.
those ones that just do the damage in AoE.
It's just
The
a
arrow mini
multi-target.
targets. Those ones are really nice.
Yeah.
I did no damage to them. Weird.
Thought you were gonna go for the targets that could all dash to us in melee.
Yeah, I say not actually.
Probably unnecessary, yeah.
Yeah.
This was like the second time I've ever tried these thunder arrows, and I thought I would do damage to both of them and push them back at the same time, but I was wrong. Anyways, this video is sponsored by Describe, where you can get professionally written box descriptions of basically everything. Over 10,000 scenes. This is the perfect tool to create a Baldur's Gate feel into your D&D game or other tabletop related games. Not only do they have these fancy descriptions, but they have a massive catalog of music, sound effects, and ambient sounds. There's more unique sound files than what Baldur's Gate has in total, and not only that, they've got a lot of fancy maps with already integrated descriptions that you can just read out to your players to create that Baldur's Gate feel with ease. All of this can be easily integrated into Foundry. Describe is massive, and it just keeps on growing, which means your catalog keeps growing too. I highly recommend you check them out, and if you do, please press the link in the description. And if you like what you see, use the code PACKTACTICS at the checkout to get 10% off your first subscription payments. Back to the video. I don't know why you went with plant growth instead of spike growth.
I don't have spike growth.
Oh, I thought it was Daniel casting the spell.
No, it was me. Yeah, it's worth it. Making sure I got all of them in it.
Oh. Another third level spell? Okay.
Look, if it's worth anything, they don't group up like this as often. I rarely ever use them, so I'm fine with it.
I guess. Damn, 1 HP away.
Well, at least I'm seeing new spells in this game.
I don't think plant growth was a misplay. So.
No, it
No.
wasn't.
No.
It's quartering their movement.
I thought in my head spike growth just more damage, you know?
Spike growth is more damage directly from the spell, but plant growth is making them unable to reach us because it's like double difficult terrain.
What just happened? Oh, Cobalt.
Yeah, they'd already be on us. They would have less health. Also, they all have piercing resistance, so it would have been half that damage too.
We have to get rid of the shepherds, guys. They're resurrecting everyone.
Yes. I guess until they die, if you can't attack the shepherds, just leave.
Yeah. I guess the fun of this is they can revive each other.
Yeah.
So what I was about to say is just like leave them low HP until you can kill both of them in 1 round.
Yeah, put them both together.
Okay, should I shoot the 22? Yeah.
Yeah.
I think one more. They have like resistance, so like just one more hit is fine. Actually, that one might not have resistance.
They only have resistance to all damage while they're while they have THP. If you can try and do as much damage as possible to the Death Shepherd, that would be great.
Yeah.
Can't tell if this will put me in fumes or not.
Want me to go for the one with higher health to get them
Yes.
so they don't revive each other?
Oh, hope and pray it doesn't put me in the fumes.
Jesus!
What no archery does to an MF?
Just move a
I'm
little bit.
doing that. I can't. Nah. What?
There you go. You hit him.
I just had to click it 8 times. Sure. Whatever.
Okay, I gotta go for dinner. I don't know if you guys want to pause this combat or what.
Alright, I guess I'm taking control.
Yeah, Death Shepherds are a bit annoying. 2 of them's interesting, though.
Why is it too... It's literally bright outside. I don't understand why I have...
The clouds.
Oh my
There's
god.
little stinking clouds, I believe, is what the problem is. They're getting fairly close. I'll just,
Oh, yeah. You have stage fright. That's good.
What does stage fright do? I've not...
It's basically an AoE dodge. You blast it on them, they'll make a save, and I think it'll do some Yeah, it does 2d6 damage, and also you're basically dodging from them.
So they have disadvantage on attack rolls, and when they miss, they take 2d6 psychic damage. That's what
Then-
it does.
There
Okay,
you go.
now you need to kill
That
the other Death Shepherd because you just murderized the
One guy
first
with
one.
19. I say I forgot that would fully kill him because I have the tadpole thing that executes at 9 HP.
Come on, hit.
Also, apparently,
There we go.
Oh,
Okay,
crap.
not even mad that burned the web or burned the plant growth for some reason. What? Wait, what? What just killed them? What was that? Oh, it was a stage fright that did the last damage to them.
Yeah.
We should be fine.
Yes, verifying.
So, and I'm not
They
even
only-
worried about triggering opportunity attack.
I can even eat it for you. Actually, can?
Did you?
No.
Did
For
you-
some reason, for it cannot. No, I cannot eat it for you. I don't know what you're about to ask though.
Let me see. What's his chance to hit? I guess it doesn't matter. Oh, I'm fine. All right. There we go. Run away.
Still on my feet.
Oh, let me get my spider. That's a good idea. Oh,
Oh yeah.
I'll
That's
do
alright.
that.
I got a lot of executes there.
You sure did.
It was a little bumpy, but it went pretty well. Very well, actually.
Did we take any damage at all?
No, not really.
I use some of my slots, but at the same time, there aren't a lot of times that Bard spells are worth too much, and clumped AoE things like that, I'm fine using those.
End of video. If you want this series to continue past Act 1, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!